Hey guys, Baron Von Forager, Grillax.com. Today we are going to review Big Bad Bacon, famous for that restaurant known for its breakfast up in Oxford, Mississippi. Not only are they famous for their breakfast, but they're famous for their house-cured bacon. Alright guys, before you get everything going, go ahead and get a medium hot bed of coals going in your grill. And leave one side open because we're going to indirect this chicken. What we're going to do today is make up some Big Bad Bacon wrapped chicken breast with a tangy citrus rub. We picked up this rub from our local Kroger. It's a premium selection brand and it's pretty tasty. What we did was we wrapped those chicken breasts with the bacon and we secured it with a toothpick. No need to get all fancy and weave it or anything. You just want that bacon flavor to meld into that chicken breast. After you got your chicken wrapped, what you want to do is place it directly over the medium-high coals. Let those chicken breasts sear. While your chicken breasts are searing, you want to add your citrus rub to the top of that. Once you get it and flip it, you're going to do it to the other side as well. And once you sear both sides and that bacon starts to crisp up a little bit, move it over to the other side of the grill for a little indirect cooking. Leave that chicken on the indirect side until your digital thermometer, such as a ThermoWorks Thermopop, registers 150 degrees. I think you guys will be very happy with the end product of this Big Bad Bacon chicken breast with a citrus rub. It's tangy, it's juicy, and it is oh so good.